This is lovethisfire@yahoo.com. We do sell our bow drill kits on eBay at lovethisfire1, and our kits come with everything that you need to start a fire. We are going to go through that and then show you the different pieces that's involved and how to do it. It's just a short little demonstration. What you do want to do ahead of time is take a piece of jute or whatever you have to make your little tinder bundle to be ready to accept your ember whenever you do have the ember hot in order to get your fire started. We use a piece of jute. We sell all of these pieces individually if you would need them. We do sell the kit together, and it is free shipping. So involved in the kit is the fireboard. The fireboard does come pre-drilled with a couple holes in it. The next piece involved would be the spindle. The spindle is what fits down inside the fireboard that creates the friction. To hold the spindle in place, we have a hand bearing. The hand bearing is made out of wood on one side, smoothed and rounded, and a piece of copper on the other side. And then we have the actual drill. Now the drill is made out of pieces of wood out from outside, and they're different sizes, bent different ways, different angles. And then we do have the extra piece of cording wrapped on the end in case your cording does break. We're going to show you how to put the spindle into the bow. It is a little tough on the first few times. If it becomes loose, then you will just pull it and tie the knot again to make it tighter again. But you just put it in there and twist it around, and then about in the middle of the spindle is where he has it. And then you take the end of the spindle, put it in the fireboard, and then put the hand bearing on top to help hold it in. Now underneath it, you need something to catch the ember. We just have a piece of cardboard there. You can use a leaf, a piece of bark, whatever. And then we put our tinder bundle on top, and that just also helps heat it up and catch all the embers that would fall. He holds it in place with his foot. Now this is something that does take a lot of physical effort, takes a little bit of time. My daughter is going to help him out a little bit. You'll see the spindle start smoking slightly a little bit. It does take some time. It popped out, I think, a little too early. There was some smoke going, but I don't think it's enough. So we're going to go ahead and get it readjusted and put back in. That happens. I'll bring it up so you can see him readjusting it. And put back in, and you just start over. There's the smoke coming. And you keep it going until you get a good amount of smoke. He's blowing on it to try and keep that ember glowing. It's still smoking, so we still have a chance. We'll see. Now he's taking a little knife to help get that ember out of there. Those knives we do sell. He makes everything handmade. We also sell those knives. I'm going to back up a little bit. You want to keep the oxygen flowing through. Keep blowing, blow, blow, and it'll get that oxygen in there, creating the heat. But you need three things to have a fire. You need a source, oxygen, and something to burn. And he's trying to put the oxygen through the tinder. Blow, blow, keep it hot. It'll keep it hot. Still have flame or something on the other side burning. Keep it going. Just got to keep it blowing. Just keep the smoke going. And there it is.